consistency. That is the single most important thing you can do for your hair. We keep saying it at 2.0. You should follow a simple, very basic, but very easy to follow ritual of cleanse, nourish, protect, and repair. So start with the reconstruction shampoo. It has specially been designed to cleanse all the build up, grease, dirt, the everything from your hair in one wash. It has a trisurfactant formula that's designed to be super effective but super gentle. So cleanse without stripping. Follow that with the reconstruction hair mask, which essentially just adds back all the nourishment that your hair needs. You lose nourishment um, over a period of time, and between every wash, if you go back and use a really good, it's a thick, creamy, extremely hydrating hair mask. If you use that, then you're just adding back that nourishment. Then follow it with what, in my opinion, is the hero of every hair care ritual, a leave-in conditioner. It is very simple to use. Once your hair is towel dry, which is basically it's no longer sopping wet, just take it from the mid lengths, which is basically ears and below, to the ends of the ear, and just apply that. Section your hair and apply it all over. And what that does is it just locks in all the effort that you've put in, all the nourishment that you've put in with your hair mask, just locks that in, keeps it hydrated, keeps it, just keeps it really frizz free, tangle free. It avoids any kind of breakage. Just it's just the most important step in your hair care ritual. And yet, after all of this, given the kind of lifestyles we lead and all the things we do to our hair, there will be some amount of damage. Follow that with our hair repair serum. Don't use too much of it. A pump at max, just at the last inch or two of your hair. And then with consistency, if you keep doing this, you will see your hair improve and remain extremely manageable all through the year.